Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Hyderabad. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise in the field, they offer high-quality scanning solutions to various industries. The company understands the importance of accurate and detailed 3D scans in today's fast-paced world. They strive to deliver top-notch services that meet the specific requirements of their clients. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design for 3D scanning services in Hyderabad is their advanced scanning equipment. They use cutting-edge scanners that can capture even the smallest details with precision. This allows them to create highly accurate 3D models that can be used for various applications, such as product design, reverse engineering, and quality control. Their team of skilled professionals ensures that every scan is performed with utmost care and attention to detail. Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of 3D scanning services in Hyderabad to cater to the diverse needs of their clients. Whether you need a single object scanned or an entire industrial facility, they have the expertise and resources to handle projects of any scale. They are experienced in scanning various types of objects, including mechanical parts, architectural structures, and even human body parts. Their versatility and commitment to excellence make them a trusted choice for businesses across different industries. When it comes to 3D scanning services in Hyderabad, Scon Design India Private Ltd stands out for their commitment to customer satisfaction. They prioritize understanding the unique requirements of each client and deliver tailored solutions that meet their specific needs. Their team works closely with clients throughout the scanning process, ensuring effective communication and transparency at every step. This not only helps in delivering accurate results, but also builds long-term relationships with clients. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Hyderabad. With their state-of-the-art technology and skilled team, they are able to offer high-quality and accurate scanning solutions to various industries. Whether it's for reverse engineering, product development, or quality control, Scon Design has the expertise and tools to deliver precise 3D scans. Hyderabad is a hub for technology and innovation, and Scon Design is at the forefront of this digital revolution. Their 3D scanning services cater to a wide range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, healthcare, and architecture. By using advanced scanning techniques, they are able to capture intricate details and dimensions of objects, creating highly accurate digital replicas. One of the main advantages of Scon Design's 3D scanning services is the speed and efficiency they offer. Traditional methods of measurement and inspection can be time-consuming and prone to errors. However, with their cutting-edge scanners and software, Scon Design is able to complete projects in a fraction of the time while maintaining superior accuracy. Scon Design understands the importance of customization and tailoring their services to meet the specific needs of each client. They work closely with their customers to understand